This is Joe. He can draw. Oh boy, I don't know about these drawings, but he definitely can animate. Today, WMA dives into the world of idols. John's gonna animate one idol and use the same animation to create 12 unique idols. How the hell's he gonna do that? You're about to find out.
It's time to let John show us how it's done. Let's do this. Select your character. The block's Julia. Selected. Select your style. Default selected. Select your mode. 3ds Max. The block's body mechanic rigs made simple and fun are now available for 3ds Max, Maya, and Blender. The blocks are simple to use, easy to customize, and most importantly, super fun to animate. Visit gumroad.com/watchmeanimate to get the block's complete 12-character set now.
What is going on, everyone? Welcome to episode 11. We are animating the Julia rig, and just like in episode 10, I've loaded up the Jessica idol. Now, as I start this reposing, I'm getting fashion show vibes, just like when models confidently strut down the runway as they showcase their stylish outfits. So that's what I'm thinking. Let's get Julia's pose looking like she's a runway model. We are making progress, so let's focus in on her arms now, and I'm gonna do a quick pass to get that, that loose/fluid feel as she sways left to right. And I'm gonna build this motion up in layers. Therefore, I'm gonna start with her upper arm first, and I'm gonna work my way down to her forearm and then hand. And remember, the motion doesn't have to be perfect at this stage. It just needs to look good enough to capture the intended movement. Now let's focus on her left arm, and using the exact same method, we're going to start with the upper arm first, then gradually work our way down her arm to bring it to life. Now this layered approach is super effective because we don't have to commit to the full arm. We simply break it up into separate parts, which is way easier to work and adjust versus animating and tweaking the entire arm at once. Let's refine her pose to give her a sexier/more runway model-like feel, if that's a word. Now I'm going to widen her stance, and this is going to enhance her looks, but it's also going to allow for greater range of hip motion as she's swaying from left to right. Now the more she moves side to side, the more we can play with the arms, which means we can get more drag, more overlap, more follow through, and this is really going to help her performance pop. Let's shift our attention to animating the forearms. Now, the approach is simple. We're going to synchronize the timing of her body sway with the appropriate amount of drag, follow through, and overlapping motion. Now, the process is going to be done in a straight ahead manner, which means I make adjustments, I press play to see how it looks, and then I make any changes if need be. I continue to work this way until I'm satisfied with the performance of her arms. Julia's arms are coming to life, and now it's time to focus in on her hands. So with the info that we have from animating the arms so far, we can approach the hands in the exact same way. We're going to use the timing of the arms to animate the hands, and we're going to use the straight ahead method. Now, we want to make sure that the hands complement the performance without overpowering the rest of her body motion. Here we go, entering the final pass. I'm going to make some subtle adjustments to Julia's head to enhance the overall timing and to add a touch of finesse to her mini head performance as she looks around to the crowd, proudly showcasing her outfit. Additionally, I'm going to give her arms some final touches, and there you go. Julia is now ready to make her grand entrance on the runway, flaunting her new outfit. "11 idols completed, one more to go" as we continue this series reusing Jordan and Jessica's idol as we transform it into brand new idols. If you're enjoying the content on the channel and you want to show your support and be a part of the fun, share this video on your social media, give it a thumbs up, or leave a comment below. Your support and engagement is very much appreciated. Lastly, the blocks body mechanic rigs made simple and fun are available for 3ds Max, Maya, and Blender. They are awesome rigs for body mechanics performances, simple to use, easy to customize, and super fun to animate. Visit gumroad.com/watchmeanimate to get the blocks blocks, complete 12 character set. My name is Jonathan Abenheim. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all on the finale episode very soon.